selfie stick. Actually, it's just the my tripod. Anyway, hello world, hello YouTube, hello everybody. There we go. Today, sunshiny day. Look at the sun on me. Isn't that great? And it is just as clear and blue and clean and beautiful as you could ever imagine a place to be. Let's go have a look. Oh man, it's wonderful. Man, that is one thing about, living out here where I live. It rains or this and that. It is absolutely fantastically beautiful. I can't imagine any other place that's, but I haven't been around much. Well, I've been around a little. What, Mara? Mara. Where's Mara? Anyway, I lost my track. It's just fabulous. Let's have a look. Got snow on the mountains, too. Look at the beautiful blue skies. Little puffy cloud out there. Let's have a look at the temperature. Oh, and the sun is nice and warm. Got this really cool breeze, that's kind of, you're like, ooh, cool. And then that sun hits you and warms you up. What a combination, man. La, la, la. .52 Fahrenheit, and the water's blocking what it is Celsius. There you go. Okay. Let's go have a look. Make this little bit of a video here. No, Mata, you stay. You'll never come back in the yard. There's Mata. I think they got Mata. There we go. Goofy dog. Try my selfie stick again. There we go. Wow, it's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I mean to tell you, there's no place. There might be, somewhere like north or something. But man, it is wonderful out. And another reason I'm having troubles loading up videos is if I'm uploading a video because I put Windows 10 on my dang computer, it slows it down real bad. I mean, it almost brings it to a standstill. I can't be on the computer while I'm uploading a video. Anybody got a little, cure for that? Hey, let me know. Let's have a look around. Now that we're out here. There we go. There's my truck, boy. I'm glad I got my truck back. Needed a fuel pressure regulator and a set of dang injectors. My brother's real handy at, being a mechanic. Let's open this up a little. And he fixed that up. See, I can't do it really here because it's just a dirt lot. Can't take no motor apart or do any kind of real engine work because it's just dirt. Let's hear, watch, straight up. It's straight above my head. Look at that beautiful blue. Look at that. What do we got here? But look. Fades away. Fades away. Some wispy clouds to the south. And just, see, this is where the rocks get heated up and it, evaporates the rain that's sitting on them. It's actually a little bit of snow on that one right there. So that's the thing about having this tripod on it, it makes the video bad. Back to the house and we'll have a look. Poor little dog. Look at the green grow, boy. Let me tell you what, it's going to be something. Look at it. I got grass. Actual blade grass. And the cats have been eating it. That's good. Look at that. Man, look at it. It's everywhere, man. I don't mean to tell you. Today or tomorrow, we'll go to Death Valley and we'll see the flowers. Yeah, the dog chewed up my yard. Okay, now, let's get up here. Let's do this. It's all nice and clean and look good. Get videos of Gary. That way people know what I look like. You know? There. Oh, man, that's fabulous. Wow. Ah. That sun is something else. Here in another month, there's going to be something else. You'll burn the hide right off my forehead. All right, let's get up these stairs and have a look at the distance. Look at the contrast. They're like my houseplant. They've gone crazy. I think I get too close to it here later. It might eat me. All right. Out there. Look at that. Beautiful. That's where we get our water here. Monitor, we're chasing cats. See what I'm saying? That's the headwaters of the Amargosa River. You know, every time any kind of weather of any sort, those mountains get, you know, no, there's no way I catch that pack of birds. You know, they get snow. And it's a weird thing, too, because if you look at the maps, the weather can pass by Death Valley to the north of us, right around where those mountains are. And it kind of sneaks around. And weather always happens there. But it takes quite a bit to have weather happen here. If you know what I mean. Oh, there's a motorcyclist going out to Death Valley. Look at the green trees, man. It's going to be one heck of a year. We're going to have donkeys for days and bugs and every kind of thing. The desert's going to bloom this year, boy. I read the passage in the Bible. I don't read the Bible much. I'm not much of a thumper about that. I'll put it in the bottom, in the description. Yeah, there they go. See, right there, that's my business, man. I make them rag rags, and I put my sign out, and maybe they'll stop by. I get this place cleaned up. I'll get some things sold out of the bus. And for someone that asks, I'll make a video of the bus later. Like, oh man, look at. Let's see if we can see it. The side of the hill getting green. Look at that. Man. Gonna be a heck of a thing. Gonna be a heck of a thing. You're late. Hurry up. Look at that. Beautiful. And you can see it out there because the air is so clean. Will you stop it, dog? Okay, now that we're back. Look at that. Wow. Dogs are bumping my legs, messing up my video. All right, 10 minutes of... Look at that. Look at that. This is what I see every day. What a shame. All right, live by your wits, not by your worries. Peace. Bye.